Everybody, and tonight I would like to show you guys my novel edition of my decorations for Christmas. And I got myself a white Christmas tree, and I decided to decorate it most of all with birds. And if you can see here on the top, you'll see the peacock, a beautiful top of the tree peacock, and underneath the peacock I used some of this foliage from Michael's and made like a really beautiful luxurious nest for the peacock. And as we go down the tree, you will see a variety of birds in different colors. And in a lot of these birds, I use Mod Podge and use glitter to make them look a little bit more luxurious. And there you're going to see the Christmas, the snowflakes, and here we have some wonderful birds like this one with all the glitter. Here we have a different kind of peacock and like owls. Look at this peacock. It's so majestic, and the colors all match: the brown, the gold, the black, the white. It's really, really beautiful, And I will, and here, we have this one with a tint of rose gold, and the feathers are really light pink. What I love, that color of pink. And a lot of these ornaments I made myself. I got the clear balls and made myself. And I will let you show a little more. And as we go to the bottom of the tree, I will show you and explain to you what I did. Yeah. And here we have some, here in the back we have some pink birds. And this is some of the ornaments that I also made, that I have a video showing you guys how I did. And this is a tree like with the colors are metallics and grays, gold, metallics and gray and white. It's very, very luxurious decoration. And very beautiful. I love it. I always wanted to do something with birds and something with metallics, and I decided to do this here.
I like that. Do it again, make it sexy.
And as we go to the bottom, you guys will see here where I did the whole bottom of the tree. You see all this foliage, and there is some with crystals, some with gold, silver, and some with this green, Christmas green with glitter. I got and cut all the branches, and I made this design, one on the top of each other, and the whole bottom of the tree is this luxurious decoration with different palms, different colors, in all the metallic colors. You can see some of this. It is the rose gold, and the crystal. Very, very beautiful. I always wanted to do something like that. And in the bottom, I use this skirt, and it's like rose gold with some kind of, it's not real fur, but gives a look of a fur. And underneath, there's some gifts. Made a way for some gifts, Christmas gifts. So, like I mentioned, here in the middle, I always like to put one piece that is my signature when I do my designs in my trees and anything, and I always use the B for Beckley. What is my last name, So I hope that you guys like, You know, the tree is very, very unique. You know, it's probably something that you don't see every day, but I love unique things that look a little bit out of the ordinary. So if you guys like this tree, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and click in my picture, subscribe to my channel, and also activate the bell so you guys know when I have new videos. Thank you so much for your support, you know, and I wish you guys a very Merry Christmas, and I will see you next video, and a big kiss in your heart.